Hey Ian, can you help me? I've been getting a lot of calls about brown patches and bare spots in customers' yards. I want to make sure that I'm sharing the best information about the benefits of aeration and overseeding. What's the best way to describe what it means to aerate a lawn?
Great question, Meg. Aeration is great, especially with all the clay soil that we have here in East Tennessee. Aeration essentially plugs thousands of small holes in the ground, which loosens the soil to allow air and water to circulate more effectively through it. This helps to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the grass roots, helping it grow and stay healthy.
Wow, so does this mean that aerating and overseeding could help with brown patches and bare spots while creating new growth and maybe even crowding out some weeds?
Now you're catching on, Meg. And if you add growth supplements like fertilizer and lime, the benefits grow. The fertilizer will increase the vibrant green color and promote higher grass density, and the lime will help restore pH balance levels to the soil, making it easier for grass seed to germinate and grow. Sometimes this is the main culprit as to why grass never seems to grow in certain areas.
Thanks, Ian. This is really good information. Just one more question. Why do seeds of change encourage aeration and overseeding in the fall?
Another great question, Meg. Aeration can be good any time of the year, but fall is the best time. When seeds are planted in the fall, the roots have more time to develop throughout the winter season, and that creates hardier root structures before next year's summer heat hits. You could say our aeration and overseeding services are actually planting grass seeds of change. Get it, Meg?